developing country, so they need every single year to do the maintenance because some of them will not be able to afford the maintenance. Everyone, good morning. So we are going out today to go to Mati, which is like a resort beach type place. But before that, we're gonna do like a charity event cleaning, and I'm gonna be joining this motorcycle group. But we'll see what happens. So we are past Tagum, but all I can say is that road has a lot of turns. Next time we come out with a suit and with my gear and cameras, it's gonna be good. But got the rest of the bikers here. Yeah, and I'll take some videos of the motorcycles out there. Mostly 150s, 300s, and I think there's a 450 out there. Nothing crazy, but yeah. Now at the school, as you can see, all the bikes are parked up. We're gonna do some charitable stuff today. Paint the portion of the school. I don't know how many buildings we're painting, but we're just giving back to the community, and then we're gonna ride out to the beach resort. So we'll look forward to doing it, helping out these kids. Very nice. A lot of bikes out here: 250s, 450s, 155s. Pretty nice ride. Best of all, the ride up here is really nice. The roads are pretty nice. Good for banking. We're about to paint these rooms, so let me get a paintbrush here.
Kabalo dahil ka mo paint.
Of course, you by yourself. Do it yourself. Everything by yourself. We are painting for the kids. Charity event here. For La Libertas motorcycle group. And I was fortunate to join the ride, so try to help out the kids, help out the community.
We should be even.
Close.
Ako ko'y engineer ninyo, so kina. Bless you.
Video for reference.
Hindi naabot na roller.
Just for reference, this is what usually happens in the Philippines because, developing country, so they need every single year to do the maintenance because some of them will not be able to afford the maintenance. Shit. It's all over me now. We're in Mati now, and you gotta look at what I'm looking at right now. Give me 1 second, I'll flip the camera. It was amazing ride, good people. It was raining a little bit, but that's fine. But you check this out. Yeah. Hey everyone, so we put a tent up on the balcony, and this is what it looks like right now.
Yeah.
Pretty cool though, because the breeze from the ocean is coming in. I like it. Other than that, yeah, we're gonna not really camp, but we're gonna be out here for a bit and go out tomorrow. But yeah, it was a really great day with these with the riders.